Alright, Jason here, and in this video I'd just like to talk about septic tank MOT. And this is probably one of the most important things you need to know about your septic tank, okay? And basically it's this. Right, on the 1st of January last year, 2020, all the rules and regulations in the UK changed, right? And so every septic tank now, right, installed before 2015 by law now has to have this MOT certificate. And it's almost like the one that you get for cars, but it's for septic tanks. So if you're a septic tank owner, you're thinking, oh blimey, you know, not another thing to do. How will this affect you? Well, let me show you how it will affect you, right? But I've got some really good news at the end of this video. This is why I'm making this, which will save you a lot of money, right? And so the first main reason, right, why this is important, because unless you've got one of these MOT certificates, you cannot sell your house. That's one of the first biggest drawbacks from not having an MOT certificate. Real pain in the butt, I know, but nevertheless, that's one of the main downsides by not having an MOT certificate, right? Number two, second downside is you cannot buy a house unless the septic tank that's connected to the house that you're buying has an MOT certificate. So it's really changed the whole landscape for owners that own a septic tank. And so basically those are the two main ones, but there's a third reason as well, because basically all the power has now been given to local building control officers. So building control are now doing site inspections, right? And basically what that means is they'll come round, they'll ask to see your MOT certificate. Obviously, if you had it installed before 2015, you won't have one. And so then they'll say, okay, well, we need you to get one, all right? We'll give you a few months to stop using your septic tank and remedy the situation. So if this is you, if you've installed or had a septic tank installed before 2015, what's an easy way where you can sell your house, where you can buy a house and you don't have to, you know, worry about building control inspectors and fining you or, you know, decommissioning your septic tank? Well, you've got three options, right? Which I'm going to show you right now. And option number one, you can get a firm in to put new system in, and this will cost you anywhere, poor man alive, from say 10 to £15,000. That's option number one. When they've put a new system in for you, right, you will then automatically get an MOT certificate. That's option number one. I'm not saying you like these options, but nevertheless, they're the only options available. Option number two, install your own system. Now, if you've never put a septic tank or soakaway in before, then, you know, it's just going to be like, you know, we spent 25 years digging our garden, you know, making it look beautiful. Now we've got to dig it all up again, right? How are we going to do it? How do you put a new septic tank and soakaway system in? So with that, obviously, you've got time, you've got money, and you've got hassle. Now, many people do go down these particular routes, right? If you go down that route, you will end up getting an MOT certificate for your tank. But as I said, the reason I made this video is because option 3 is an option that many firms won't tell you about because they can't make much money from it. And option 3 is called, get this, an ecosystem septic tank converter. Right, this option here, number 3, will save you £10,000 minimum, plus it will also give you that MOT certificate that you need, which will enable you to sell your house, to buy your dream house, without having to spend 10, 15, 20,000 quid out. So, let me show you what an ecosystem septic tank converter is. And, you know, of course, do a bit of research about it, but at the end of the day, these are just educational videos I do to help people, to help them find cost-effective solutions. So let's just show you this really simply here. So let's say this is your septic tank, right? This is your septic tank, right? It was installed before 2015. You'll have to forgive me, I'm not the best artist in the world, but it was installed before 2015, right? So you've got your inlet and your outlet pipe. Now, previously that would have gone to your soakaway, but regardless, whether your tank's 4 years old, 40 years old, or 400 years old, if it was installed before 2015, it won't have an MOT certificate. This is a real simple, easy way to do it. The ecosystem septic tank converter is a small black box. Looks something like that. No electricity, no concrete, no nothing. They basically go on the outlet side of your septic tank. And I don't think I've got a blue pen here, but nevertheless. So what happens is clean water. You got all your poo and your wee and all your horrible stuff here that goes into this converter, and out comes, out of here, do another outlet pipe, out of here comes clean water, clean, safe water. And because these are government approved systems, they come with that MOT certificate. So how much is one of these systems? Well, as I said, they are £10,000 cheaper than having to replace your system yourself or get a company in to do it. And so yeah, so there you go. That is my tip for the day, for the month, for the week, for the year. Because look, every little helps, doesn't it? So if you want to do some research after you've watched this video, just go on to the internet and type in ecosystem septic tank converter. Now obviously this is something that we sell to customers. I get lots of customers who ring me up. They're pulling their hair out because they've been quoted 20 grand for a new system, or they're having to drop their house price 20 grand. This is saving them 20 grand. They get it, they put it in within an hour, 2 hours, like that. But the point is, that's what an MOT certificate is. I've given you the options. Either, you know, get a firm in to put a system in for you, drop your house price, put it in yourself, or just get your builder or someone to dig a quick hole, 2 hours, and you can put one of these converters in, which will give you that MOT certificate, which will help you sell your house and or buy your dream house. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to septictank.co.uk or go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, right, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank converter. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.